Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can send message with special effects or animation on your iPhone. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy and simple. What you need to do is just go to your iMessage and open up your contact with whoever you're messaging. What you can do is just simply type in something that you would like to send, and then simply press and hold the send icon, and you'll see some options with send with effect on bubble, just like slam, loud, gentle, or invisible ink. But then if you press on screen, you'll see some more options, looks like echo, and then send with spotlight, send with balloons, send with confetti, send with love, or even lasers. Whatever you'd like to send, just simply press on send, and then your message is sent. And here, as you can see, we have now successfully sent a message with animation or effect. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.